Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So boom. So boom. It was too low to get out the other way. So boom. 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 Boom. So boom. So boom. So boom. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this episode, we're getting into it. I don't see a ballast shaft belt down in there, but we got the wheel off so far. I can't wait to do my 5-lug conversion. We got the plastics off. We're going to attempt to get that bolt off today and break it all the way down, but we're going to repair it and fire it up said way. We're going to pull those spark plugs out, see what the spark plugs look like. But it's the beginnings, man. Let's give a tour of the inside. Door handle's broke, so we got to fix that. That door handle is broke, so we got to fix that. But look at the seats, though, man. What y'all know about that Nickelback? We got the OEM doors. I mean, it's pretty clean in here, though, other than my cracked windshield. But the seats don't have any rips and tears. They're just like dirty, like I said. They're just brown and dirty. Same for the back seat and the seat belt. Just dirty, man. We're gonna completely gut it, take everything out, man. Remove the carpet, you know, because the carpet looks like that. Unting. But we're gonna completely remove. We gotta take this tint off. Tint off, it come off. This is the only rust spot it has. It looked like it was a little dent or something right there, but that's the only rust spot that it has. Other than that, though, man, it's a fairly clean car. On the cluster. Came with a nice little den. Yes, it is auto. It is auto, but it won't be for long. You know, we're gonna play that. That's it, man. So, let me try to get this crank pulley removed, and I'll be back. Hey, we turning. So now that we have I mean, it's looking terrible in here. Yeesh. So you already know what time it is. We're gonna do some oven cleaning. We're gonna pull all these guys off. And we're gonna get at that guy. Front main seal. Front main seal is coming up out of there. And we're gonna clean this thing up, man. It's the Furon shop. Find it, fix it. Oh, it ate up the balancing shaft belt as well. And here are the remnants of the balancing shaft belt. It just looks chewed up, man. That thing probably was broke before the timing belt went, for real, because it's like bent. So we're gonna get it cleaned up. We have since ordered our timing belt kit. We're gonna wait for that to come in. So I hear some oven cleaner, right? And some purple power, right? I mean, y'all tell me if I'm tripping, man. Like, is this a 279,000 mile motor? Like, look at that bolt, man. That bolt still got a shine to it. This don't look like a 279,000 mile motor, man. Look how, I mean, I don't know, man. That looks extremely clean, bro. For 279,000 miles and a blown up timing belt. That's all I'm saying. Am I tripping? Damn. So I got a call from my interior guy. He told me to get them seats over there to him. And he's gonna make it work. This is what the carpet looks like. You know, not bad, man. Not bad. These seats ain't been moved in forever. And this is how, you know, it's not that bad. Got little spots like that, you know. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the next episode where you see how clean this interior turns out. And until next time, man, make sure y'all turn one. Peace.